Hey beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into some jaw-dropping celebrity makeup transformations that left us all in awe. Let's get started. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have Celebrity 1. Known for her natural beauty, watch as skilled makeup artists transform her look into a radiant glow fit for the red carpet. Every detail enhances her features, making her shine even brighter. Next up at number 4, Celebrity 2 takes center stage. Starting with a fresh-faced canvas, makeup artists work their magic to create a striking evening look. Bold lips and captivating eyes define glamour in this breathtaking transformation. At number 3, we're mesmerized by Celebrity 3's makeover journey. From subtle enhancements to a sophisticated finish, each brushstroke highlights her natural beauty. This transformation is a testament to the artistry behind makeup. Taking our second spot, Celebrity 4 undergoes a dramatic change. The before and after reveal showcases a stunning evolution, emphasizing her features with precision and creativity. It's a true masterpiece of self-expression and confidence. Finally, claiming the top spot is Celebrity 5, whose transformation is nothing short of extraordinary. From a natural look to a glamorous makeover, the process unfolds with elegance and sophistication, capturing the essence of beauty. Which celebrity transformation impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.